Hello, myself B. Rahul Patil from 5th Sem ISC branch. Now we are going to discuss about a case study on impact of agile development on practices on project outcomes from the subject software engineering and project management. Introduction. Agile development practices have significantly influenced software project management in recent years. Unlike traditional waterfall models, where development follows a linear path, Agile emphasizes adaptability and responsiveness to change. This case study explores how adopting agile practices impacts key project outcomes, including delivery time, team efficiency, product quality, and client satisfaction. By focusing on real world software development projects, the study highlights the benefits and challenges of agile methodologies. Through iterative processes, close customer collaboration, and empowered cross-functional teams, Agile creates a flexible environment that encourages continuous improvement. However, while Agile has demonstrated success in small to medium-sized teams, it has also faced challenges when scaled for larger, more complex projects. The case study aims to provide an understanding of how agile methods influence both short-term deliverables and long-term project success. It also explains how agile adoption impacts team dynamics, project timelines, and the overall quality of the software produced. By evaluating these key factors, this case study provides insights into how agile development practices can be optimized to enhance project outcomes across various industries. Agile methodology or overview. Agile development is a project management approach designed to foster flexibility, collaboration, and rapid iteration. Unlike traditional models, Agile emphasizes short development cycles known as sprints, where team work on small manageable pieces of project. Each sprint concludes with a working product increment following for continuous feedback and improvement. Central to agile methodology are practices like daily stand-ups where team members discuss their progress, challenges, and plans for the day. Additionally, agile encourages close collaboration between developers, testers, and business stakeholders. This ensures that the evolving product consistently aligns with customer needs and expectations. One of the key strengths of agile and its ability to adapt to change if the requirement shift. Agile team can quickly reassess and adjust their priorities. The flexibility provided by Agile is especially useful in dynamic environments where the customer needs may evolve during the development of process. Agile can also emphasize the importance of testing and quality assurance throughout the development cycle, reducing the risk of major issues at the end of the project. In essence, Agile's iterative approach fosters a more responsive, customer-focused development process that delivers high-quality products in less time. Case study overview. This case study focuses on the real world application of agile development practices across a series of software projects. The objective was to evaluate the tangible impact of agile methodologies on the project outcomes compared to traditional development models. The project analyzed were diverse in size, scope, and industry, providing a well rounded view of agile's effectiveness. The case study specifically looked at four key metrics: time to market, project efficiency, product quality, and client satisfaction. Time to market measured how quickly teams could deliver functional software to clients. Efficiency focused on the team's ability to meet deadlines while minimizing wasted effort and resources. Product quality was assessed based on the number of defects and customer feedback on the delivered software. Lastly, client satisfaction was evaluated through direct feedback and from stakeholders. A comparison with traditional models revealed a significant difference in performance. Agile's iterative approach combined with regular feedback loops allowed the teams to respond to changes faster, improve collaboration, and enhance the final product's quality. However, the study also identified areas where Agile fell short, particularly in projects involving large distributed teams or complex interdependencies. Time to market improvement. One of the primary benefits of adopting agile methodologies in software projects is significant reduction in the time to market. The traditional project management approaches such as the waterfall model often suffers from long development cycles with each phase dependent on the completion of the previous one. In contrast, agile practices enable teams to deliver functional software at the end of each sprint, usually in 2 to 4 weeks. This iterative process allows teams to release smaller incremental updates, getting a product to market much faster. In the case study, in the release in the case study, Teams that implemented agile practices achieved a 30% reduction in time to market compared to those using traditional methodologies. These features first and delivering agile versions of product regularly, the ability to gather feedback from stakeholders and end users early in the development process also helped reduce time spent on unnecessary features or revisions. Moreover, Agile's adaptability enabled teams to quickly respond to changes in requirements or market conditions, further shortening time needed to bring a product to market. Efficiency gains. Agile development practices significantly improved project efficiency by streamlining communication, fostering collaboration, and reducing waste. In traditional development model, communication gaps between developers, testers, and stakeholders can lead to delays, misaligned goals, and rework. Agile solves this problem by promoting frequent communication through daily stand-up meetings and sprint reviews. These practices ensure that everyone involved in the project is on the same page, addressing issues as they rise and adjusting priorities accordingly. In the case, agile teams experienced a market increase in efficiency, with the project being completed on average 25% faster than those managed using traditional methods. Cross-functional teams, on the another key feature of Agile also contributed to this efficiency gain. In Agile projects, developers, testers, and business stakeholders work closely together, breaking down the silos that typically slow down the development process. This close collaboration reduces bottleneck and accelerates decision making. Additionally, Agile's focus on iterative development means that our teams can avoid the time consuming process of building the entire product upfront instead of delivering smaller, usable increments that add value to each stage. Product quality enhancement. One of the standout benefits of adopting agile development practices is the improvement in product quality. Agile methodologies prioritize continuous testing, feedback, and customer involvement, which leads to the early detection of the defects and alignment with client expectation. In the case study project that implemented agile saw 20% reduction in the defects compared to the use of traditional development methods. This improvement can be attributed to Agile's focus on integrating quality assurance throughout the development cycle rather than treating it as a separate final phase. Agile teams conduct testing at every sprint, allowing them to identify and resolve issues before they accumulate. This continuous testing ensures that each iteration of the product is functional and of high quality. Furthermore, Agile encourages collaboration between developers, testers, and product owners, which helps ensure that the product meets the user requirements from the outset. By involving customers in the process early and often, Agile teams can deliver products that better match client expectations, reducing the need for extensive revisions or rework at the end of the project. This ultimately results in higher quality software. Client satisfaction. Agile development practices have a significant positive impact on client satisfaction, largely due to their emphasis on collaboration and frequent feedback. Traditional project management models often isolate the client from much of the development process, with feedback typically being sought only at major milestones or after the product is completed. In contrast, Agile involves the client throughout the entire process, ensuring that their needs and expectations are continuously addressed. In the case study projects analyzing Agile practices were reported higher levels of client satisfaction compared to those using traditional methods. Agile's focus on delivering working software at the end of each sprint allows clients to see tangible processes regularly. The his invisibility reassures clients that the project is on track and provides them opportunities to suggest adjustment or refinements early in the development process. Moreover, by delivering small functional refinements increments of the product, agile developers can quickly incorporate client feedback, ensuring the final product closely aligns with client's vision. This iterative collaborative approach to not only improve the product itself but also fosters a strong relation between the development team and client, leading to the greater overall satisfaction. Challenges in agile adoption. While agile development practices offer numerous benefits, that there are also challenges associated with their adoption, particularly in large scale projects. One of the primary challenges in scaling quite agile practices for larger distributed teams. Agile is inherently designed for small co-located teams that can communicate easily and collaborate closely. When the teams are spread across different locations or time zones, maintaining the same level of communication and coordination becomes difficult. In the case study projects that attempted to scale agile across large team faced issues with communication breakdowns, misalignments of goals, and delays in decision making. Additionally, agile's emphasis on flexibility can sometimes lead to scope creep, where the constant influx of new requirements results in projects becoming larger and more complex than originally anticipated. Another challenge highlighted that in the case study was resistance to change from the teams that they were accustomed to traditional development models. Agile requires a shift in mindset, with the team members needing to embrace collaboration, accountability, and willingness to adapt changing requirements. For organizations looking to adopt Agile, success depends on strong leadership, clear communication, and a commitment to Agile principles. Conclusion. In conclusion, the case study demonstrated that agile development practices can significantly improve project outcomes in terms of speed, efficiency, product quality, and client satisfaction. Agile's iterative, customer-focused approach allows teams to respond quickly to changing requirements in shorter cycles and continue improve based on feedback. This adaptability is particularly beneficial in dynamic industries where customer needs evolve rapidly. The studies finding underscore the importance of collaboration, communication, and early testing in ensuring the success of agile projects. However, the challenges of scaling agile for larger teams and projects should not be overlooked. Organizations considering adopting agile must be prepared to invest in training, leadership, and tools that support agile practices at scale. While Agile is not a one-size-fits-all solution, its core principles can be adapted to suit very variety of project sizes and complexity. Ultimately, when implemented effectively, Agile development practices provide a powerful framework providing for improving software projects outcomes and deliver high-quality products and meet customer expectations. Thank you.